What's going on, everybody? It's DJ Mojo, saving the city one party at a time. I want to thank you for checking into another one of my videos here on my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 reasons why I use Calendly as my main website to schedule meetings for my clients and couples. So if you're interested in learning more about Calendly and how I use it, why I use it, and hopefully by the end of the video, why you may want to consider using Calendly for your business, stay tuned. So reason number 1 why I use Calendly is that 1, you can schedule meetings at the convenience of both parties. So you can schedule meetings at your own convenience and the client's convenience. The way how this works is that Calendly looks into your calendar and sees which days and times you're available and not available. And when a client goes to your Calendly page, they can just book those times that you are available. So no more going back and forth trying to figure out, hey, are you available on this day? What times are you available? You save time through that back and forth communication, and you can just do it easily through Calendly. So you can integrate calendars so it knows when you are booked or not available and when you are available. So that's reason number 1. It makes it easier for your clients to schedule a time with you. Reason number 2 is that you acquire information and schedule an appointment at the same time. You're saving steps. Now, normally, in a normal conversation or email, you would want to get information about them, or you want to schedule a call with them. This is simplifying those 2 steps into 1. So on Calendly, before they book a day or time with you, you do have the opportunity to ask several questions before they book you. So that way you can pre-qualify them, you can get to know them a little bit more before that meeting. So it kind of gives you the information that you need before you have that meeting, so you can be more prepared for that call. So instead of just going to the call blindly, you have some information that they filled out earlier. So when it's time for that meeting and call, you're ready to talk to your client. So that's been very helpful in getting the information and scheduling a time to have that meeting. So you're saving steps. Reason number 3, you save travel time, mileage on your vehicle, and gas money. Just because, okay, so imagine this, you scheduled your meeting. Now the thing is, the great thing about this is that you can have your meetings virtually, kind of like how what we're doing right now is through video. You can do that with your clients. So, and that goes to reason number 4, which I'll talk in a bit, but with Calendly, there's different ways how you can make things happen for your meetings. You can do in person, which is fine. But you can also do phone calls, you can do meetings, Google Hangouts, whichever. So when they book a day and time with you, you can give them options on how they want to meet up with you. And that way you don't have to have always this in-person meeting. You can not only save time scheduling it here, but you can also give them options that, hey, I do offer virtual meetings through phone call, through Skype, through Zoom, and all those options. So which leads me to number 4 is, with Calendly, you have the opportunity to connect with their clients through video chat. And they use different apps and different websites, but one of them, what they use is Zoom. Zoom allows you to have your meetings virtually, similar to what we're having right now. And it helps you connect with their clients more. So they can see a name to a face, or a face to a name, and they can really get to know you more if you really want to increase that personal factor in their experience. So that's been very helpful, is not only can they book a day and time with you easily, they can also at that time, all you have to do is click on a link and it'll open up a Zoom pop-up, and they could have a virtual video meeting with you, which makes the whole process so much easier. Calendly does make notifications, or gives notifications to your clients, giving them reminders. Hey, you have a meeting with this person at this time. Here's a link. Click on it for the call or video chat. So Calendly does have different applications and apps that which you can use. It doesn't have to be Zoom, but you can give them clear instructions on how you want to conduct the meeting. But I just love the feature that it does have connections with Zoom, so you can have that video chat that makes things so much personable. Now, reason number 5, they also have a payment portal option, which are great for selling consultation services or anything that you want to sell or anything that you can do virtually. It accepts payments. For example, if you want to do a consultation call, and in order to have a conversation call, imagine you charge $45. So it does have an integration to, I believe, Stripe and PayPal, which you can integrate that to Calendly. So if they want to book you for for example, like a dating coach, and you want to give some advice, and you can use that payment. So they would have to, not only can they schedule, but they can also pay you as well. So it just simplifies all these little steps. You get information, you already schedule a day or time, and you already get the payment. So those are just little tools that Calendly has, which I find very helpful depending on what you want to give. So, and I just find it so many opportunities, not just applying for the DJ world, but just any kind of business where you can have a meeting with your client. So those are great options, the payment portal option. Reason number 6 is that you get to position yourself as someone who is organized and also respects time. How many meetings have you had where you get distracted just because someone called you random out of the blue, and then you're in the middle of doing something, and you may not know exactly who this client is or what their project, you don't have all the project details in front of you. But imagine using Calendly and it's a scheduled meeting. So you have time to get all the information you need for that call, and you respect their time because both parties are blocking off time to spend time with one another, to get to know each other better. And I chose this method just because I respect my own time and I respect theirs. I don't like it when I get interrupted during my day, get a phone call, and have to cater to the needs right away. I know some people are like that, which I totally understand. It depends on how you want to run your business. But for me, just for my own sanity, and if you already have a busy schedule, I like to have my day scheduled so I know when to expect what. And having a scheduled call just makes the whole meeting more productive as well, because you already know what to talk about. You already know how you can help this person, and it's more efficient for both parties. And you respect their time and they respect your time. And I've noticed that the client relationship has increased, like the value in the relationship, just because you respect each other's people's time. Time is money, and you want the most out of these meetings if they are scheduled. So that's a great value, and especially people who respect time would appreciate this tool. Now, reason number 7, which I do want to conclude with this video for now, is it is hygienic. So you don't have to, this goes beyond Calendly just a little bit, but in terms of what's next, you book the day and time. You don't have to go and meet in person in these public places. You can actually have a virtual meeting like this through Calendly, like I mentioned about the Zoom and the video features that it has. It's hygienic just because you don't have to go to these public places anymore, especially in a time where we live in right now, where we have to be careful and be safe and be healthy. And in all seriousness, like, this could be the solution for those cases. So having a system in place where you can book instantly those meetings online that matches both of your schedules, and the capability of having a video chat, no more trying to guess, okay, do you have Skype? Do you have this? No, it's easily just follow the steps and you can set up a virtual meeting just like this through video, and it helps people so much, and people can enjoy themselves comfortably at their own homes or wherever they are. And if they're sick, they can still have a video call and not spread any germs. But I really have found Calendly to be super helpful. I've gotten great feedback from all my clients, and it just steps up your marketing game, your customer service, and the whole experience in general. Try to make it easy for yourself in your business and help it make it easier for your clients as well. And by no means am I sponsored by Calendly, but it's just something that I've personally just want to share what's been helping me in my business. And I really hope that this will help out in yours. So those are my 7 reasons why I choose Calendly. And let me go quickly on the reasons why. Reason number 1, you can schedule meetings at the convenience of both parties. Reason number 2, you can acquire information and schedule at the same time. Therefore, you're saving time and steps. Reason number 3, you save travel time, mileage, and gas money if you choose to do video. And reason number 4, you have the opportunity to connect with your clients through video. Calendly offers different methods of how you want to have your meeting. Reason number 5, there's a payment portal option. So not only can you schedule a day or time, not only can you get information, but you can also get paid before that meeting happens. Reason number 6, you position as someone who is organized and someone who respects your time and their time. And reason number 7 is that you are being hygienic. Obviously depends on how you are conducting your meeting, but Calendly makes it easier for you to have these virtual meetings. Now, I know that was a lot of information there. I hope these are good reasons for you to try Calendly or something similar to it. But if you want to learn more, and if you want me to go into detail and in depth of how I set up my Calendly page for success, visit my link down below. I'll share with you a little course, another series of videos so you can get started implementing Calendly and how to incorporate it into your business and have an efficient system so you can use it more effective, and different ways how you can use Calendly and maximize its purpose in your business. So link will be down below, and I'm really excited to share with you how you can grow your business and market yourself really well and just make it efficient for both parties. Well, other than that, I hope you find this video helpful. I'm DJ Mojo, and if there's anything else I could do for you, please leave them down in the comment section down below. And also hit that like button if you enjoy this video as well, wherever you are watching this video. But other than that, I wish you the best success in your business, whichever you do, and let me know how I can help in the future. I'm DJ Mojo, saving the city one party at a time. Thank you all so much for your time, and I'll see you in my next video.